Now we'll find a solution of a system of equations containing only x square and y square terms. So you have this equation and this equation. Now, basically what you'll have to do is, you see this equation over here, the first one, you'll basically have to put uh, the x square and y square terms on the left hand side and the constant, which is the 6, on the right hand side. So basically this becomes 2x square minus 3y square is equal to 6. This is your first equation, equation number 1, and the second equation is already given in its correct format, so this is equation number 2. Now what you'll have to do is you'll multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Why, do you ask? So that the coefficients of x square become 6. See this? The coefficients of x square are now 6. Now you can somewhat solve them simultaneously. So what you'll do is, basically, you'll subtract. So 6 subtract 6 square, and this becomes minus 6 square. So this cancels out. This minus 10y square becomes plus 10y square because this minus sign is multiplied with a minus sign since it's being subtracted. So this now becomes y square. Whoops. Yeah. This now becomes minus 9y square plus 10y square. So this becomes y square over here. And this becomes 18 minus 14, and that becomes 4. Now, y square is equal to 4. Y is equal to positive 2 and negative 2, obviously, because under root 4 is equal to positive 2 and negative 2. Now, you have two values for y over here. So, first of all, you put y is equal to positive 2 in equation 1. Just to refresh what equation 1 is, this is equation 1. You put the value of y is equal to positive 2 over here. So, when you do that, you get this, and now basically upon further calculations you'll get two values for x, positive 3 and negative 3. So you have this as a solution, and this has two solutions basically. One is with positive 3 as the value of x, and one is with negative 3 as the value of x. The value of y is 2, obviously, because you took that as the first step. You put the value of y is equal to 2. Now, in the second one, you'll put the value of y is equal to minus 2, the second value you found over here. And you'll put that in the same equation number 1. When you do that, and upon calculation, you'll get two more values for x, positive 3 and negative 3 again. So, you now have two more values. One is this, and one is this. Now, the solution set will have 4 values.